Hello Avi, it's Zurab here at Voss Motors. Taking this video especially for you. We just spoke over the phone. So as I said, there are some small stone chips. It's a 180K on it, so you can see some small stuff. Nothing major. I think somebody did the touch up but with the wrong paint, so it's not the exactly matching one. Tires are, as I said, like a brand new. The brakes and everything been serviced and it's certified already. It comes with the rubber floor mats. This is the interior, what it looks like. It's a beige leather. Memory seats. All the electronics as Lexus comes. Here we go. 182,000 kilometers. Kenwood aftermarket radio, heated seats, no others, nothing. It's cruise control. There is a sunroof on it too. Wrong button. Here we go. Works. No warning lights. Here we go. It's just a seat belt. If I plug faster, it's gonna stop. You're thinking. Very clean rear seats. They're adjustable backrests for the rear passenger seats. Oh, it's open, I think. This is the radio, the stock radio. So it comes with both power lift gate. Some small stone touch-ups actually on the pillar, you know, when you park somewhere and somebody's door touches it, so it makes those small things. So that's pretty much everything, you know. I do have a car proof as well, I'll show you, which says one glass record, so it has a clean car proof. Lots of mileage services there, as you see, which is very nice. So there was a one claim made for a glass, so the glass was replaced. Oh, sorry, two claims. This is a glass claim. So the windshield, for example, got the stone chip and it was replaced under the insurance coverage. So yeah, if you have any more questions, please let me know. You have my contact information. I'll email you the link for the vehicle, for the video of the vehicle. Thank you.